In this lesson, we will learn how to create a logo with Google Gemini. We will create a logo and also add a text to it. Let's see. So here's a Gemini. Click new chat. Now I'll mention a prompt. Let's say create a logo for an online shopping website, let's say named ABCD. Okay, create a logo for an online shopping website named ABCD. Submit. So let's see the results. Here it is. I'll click generate more. Okay, so you can download it from here or click it to check the full image. We could have also written create a logo for an online shopping website and submit, and later on we can add the text also. Okay, so here is the sample logo. Now let's say we want to add a text. So you can mention add a text, one-stop shopping destination to it. Okay, so it has created a logo, an online shopping website logo with the text one-stop shopping destination. Like this, you can check here and download it, and you can also generate more. With that, you can also share and export, or you can directly download all the images. With that, you can also copy these images and submit your response to Google Gemini that these are good images or a bad response. I'll rename it. Let's say create a logo. Okay. So guys, in this way you can easily create a logo and also add a text to it with Google Gemini. Let's see. So this is our Google Gemini. Click new chat. Now I'll type create a banner image for Amazon.com with the text your shop. Okay. Submit. Okay, here it is. Some samples. You can download the images from here. You can also generate more from here. Click here to get the full size image. You can also mention the size. Click here to download all the images or share. With that, you can copy it from here. If you're not getting any image results, refresh your Google Gemini and try again. Okay. Let me rename it. Create a banner image. Okay. So guys, in this way you can easily use Google Gemini to create images. If you're not getting the images, you just need to refresh it and try again. So you can create any image of a dog, cat or lion. So you can easily create with Google Gemini. Let's see how. Here's a Google Gemini. I'll click new chat and let's create. Let's say create an image of a lion wearing sunglasses. Okay, here are the results. You can also generate more from here. Click here to download it. You can also mention the size of the image directly here. Click any one of them and you can download it from here. Go to the next. Click here to download all of them. You can share also from here, or you can also copy it from here. Now let us see the second example. Create an image of a dog moving on the road with a toy. Let's see. Okay, here it is. For examples, you can also generate more, and rest of the features are same to download and share it. So here it is guys, we can easily create random images with Gemini. I can rename it from here. Create random images. Okay, rename. So guys, we saw how we can generate random images with Google Gemini. We saw two examples, one of a lion and another one for a dog. So let's say you have an image and you want some information regarding it. You can directly upload on Google Gemini and ask for it. Let's say you have a pic of a shoe and you want to know that where this shoe is selling, or from where you can get such shoes, or even the brand name. You can easily get some suggestions from Google Gemini. Let's see. So here is our Gemini. We logged in. Click on new chat. Okay, after clicking new chat, we need to upload an image and we will ask, what is this image about? So click here, upload image. Okay, click got it. Click upload image again. Let's say the following is the image. I'll ask, what is this image about? Submit. Okay, so it has given a result. It is a photo of a MacBook Pro laptop, and it has also given some suggestions. It has also shown that a red apple is here and laptop is on a wooden table, also a mobile device. The text can't be seen on the screen. Okay, it's fine. So this is how you can scan an image. Now let us upload another image, an image of a shoe. Now I'll type, have you seen this image before? Submit. No, I haven't seen, but I'll analyze it. Okay, correct, Puma brand, and everything else is visible. Okay, so in this way guys, we can easily scan images using Google Gemini. I can change it, rename. Let me give an app name. Upload and scan images. So we scanned it, right? And we got the result. You can share the result from here. You can also double check it, or you can copy it. You can also see other drafts.